Today we have a 2012 Chevy Traverse 3.6 motor. It's a LT all-wheel drive. The customer says the gas mileage has dropped. It's not idling perfect. And they said when they fill it up with gas, a lot of times it takes a little to get it started again. It does have a check engine light. We checked it. It was a PO 496 code, which is your purge valve. We're going to show you where that's located and how to replace it. This is your GM 3.6 variable valve timing motor. First thing we do to get the purge valve, we got to take this off. You might have to use a pair of pliers to get those off. It just pops off. It's got your little grommets, rubber grommets there. It's a good idea to put some kind of oil on those things so they go on and off smoothly. Your purge valve is right here. All we got to do is push on that little green button. Just push it forward and pull it back just like that. Okay, undo this right here. Push it like that. You can see the little tab which locks on it right there. Just pull it straight back. And now down below there is a 10 millimeter right there that has to come out. And this whole purge valve will come right off. There's our 10 millimeter right here. All we gotta do is take that off. And it should just have a little rubber grommet holding it. It should just pull it right off like that. Okay, it should just come right off like that. You just wiggle it just a little. It's just a rubber grommet. It should pop off just like that. Make sure you have your rubber gasket right there. The main purpose of this is actually just to bring vapors from your charcoal canister back to mix it into the engine. We're just going to reinstall this. It's got this rubber gasket, so you might want to put a little lube on there and just kind of line it up with the hole down below and just put it in nice and easy. Just goes in. We're going to start the bolt. You just wiggle a little so you can feel it start. Then we'll tighten it down. Just tighten that down. Okay, that's tight. Plug this back in. Just like that. That's when I'm going to put this line on until you hear it click. Just like that. Okay, we install the cover. We're going to remove this. Snap this back into place. You gotta line up your oil. And just clip it back in like that. You can hear it snap in. Like that. Until it locks. That's all it takes to do a purge valve on the 2012 Chevy Traverse with a 3.6 motor.